Look, someone has the intercom on.
Which one are you going to?
Oh, P3.
Go down?
What floor?
P4, please. Thank you.
Floor? God damn. Thank you.
Whoa.
What?
The access key switch.
Damn.
Bent.
Someone trying to pull this shit off.
I'm pretty sure these were replaced once Whole Foods moved in, but I could be wrong.
So these used to be glass, huh?
Yeah.
The shaft is still glass. They're probably super hot though. Hold on. What car is this? You know, in this set. Close the door and say something. Yeah, this is this one. Look, you can. Hey, bud. It's so quiet. I can't hear you very well. Scream.
It's going down.
You can hear them. Okay,